Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Kitchen Connection. Today we'll be making a very nice, delicious, and tempting chocolate-filled donuts or beignets or chocolat. These are very easy to make, very delicious, and all-time favorite for kids, and a best snack as a tea time and breakfast. So let's start making this delicious chocolate filled donuts. I hope you're subscribing to my channel, sharing the recipes with your friends and family. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the recipes on time and for free. So let's start making these delicious donuts. First of all, we'll take 200 ml of lukewarm milk, 7 gram of instant yeast, or you can also take 2 teaspoons. This will make it appropriately the same quantity. After adding the yeast, we'll mix it well. And set it aside for 10 minutes. Now in a separate bowl we'll take 2 eggs, 1 pinch of salt, melted butter 65 gram, two teaspoons of vanilla sugar, or if you don't have vanilla sugar you can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 50 gram of sugar, mix all these well until the sugar is well dissolved in the eggs. So once the sugar is dissolved and mixed well within the eggs, now we'll add all-purpose flour that I've taken 450 gram, but we would not add it all at once. We will add this flour in batches, and after adding small quantity we'll mix it and then add another amount of it, like this. Now we'll add the yeast and milk mixture that we've already prepared into the flour and mix it well to form a nice and soft dough. Now at this point we'll add the remaining flour and mix it well. So the dough would be like this. Now at this point we will spread some flour over the working surface and knead the dough well over the surface in order to make it more uniform and soft. Like this. This step is very important because the yeast will also be very nicely activated and it will work very nicely to make it soft and nice. Now we'll keep this dough in a bowl, but before that we'll sprinkle some oil in it. And cover the dough with a plastic film and a napkin and keep it in a warm and dark place for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, our yeast has well worked and the dough has doubled in size. Look how nicely it has been rising. It is very nicely done and the size is more than double. Now we'll transfer this dough onto the working surface after sprinkling some flour and spread it with the help of a rolling pin like this. And now we'll take a round cutter like this and cut equal sizes of round shapes. Of this size. We'll repeat it with all the dough, and now at this point we'll take oil for frying in a pan. Meanwhile, we've covered the donuts with a napkin and rest it well for another 20 minutes. Now we'll fry it at a low to medium heat like this. The heat should be very low to medium. We are not going to fry it on high flame, otherwise they will not be well cooked. Look, they have started rising. Look how nicely they are being increased in size. They'll be very soft, very nice and very light. Look how nicely it has swollen because the dough was very nicely risen and very softly kneaded. So once one side is golden, we'll turn it around. At a low heat, we'll fry it another side. The frying process is slow. Don't fry it quickly because they will not be good then. So this kind of a color is perfect from both the sides and it is well cooked inside out. Now once all the donuts are done, we'll take it out on a paper towel. Now it's almost done, this one. We'll take it out and we'll coat it with a sugar like this. They are so soft, so nice. They melt in mouth once you try it. So at this point we'll make a small cut within it to fill it with the chocolate. So this is Nutella. The chocolate I've added to the piping bag with a very fine nozzle at the end. We'll make a small cut with the help of a knife and pipe in the chocolate into it. Look how soft and nice they are. So they are nicely filled with the chocolate. They are very nice. Do try this recipe. They are very delicious. Your kids and family will love it. Let me know about your experiences in the comment section. Do press the bell icon to get all the recipes on time and for free. See you in another good recipe. Till then, take good care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.